Hi. One question I always get asked is, when can I file bankruptcy again? And this depends on what chapter you want to file. If you want to file a Chapter 7, you have to wait either 8 or 6 years, depending on the chapter you filed before. If you filed before a Chapter 7, and now you want to file again a Chapter 7, you have to wait 8 years. And this is from filing to filing. The time you have to wait is always from filing to filing, not from discharge to filing. It's always from filing of the first case to filing of the next case. So if the first case was a Chapter 7, you want to file a new Chapter 7, you have to wait 8 years. If the first case was a Chapter 13 and now you want to file a Chapter 7, you have to wait 6 years. So if you want to file a Chapter 7 and you filed a bankruptcy before, it is either 6 or 8 years. If you want to file a Chapter 13 now, you have to wait either 2 or 4 years, depending on what chapter you filed before. If it was a Chapter 13 you filed before, then you have to wait only 2 years to file another Chapter 13 in order to get a discharge. If the previous case was a Chapter 7 and now you want to file a Chapter 13, then you have to wait 4 years. However, there's one important thing. These are only the timelines in order to get a discharge. If you, for example, filed a Chapter 7 2 years ago and you get a foreclosure letter, well, you wouldn't be able to get a discharge in a Chapter 13. But to stop a foreclosure, you don't need a discharge, you need an automatic stay. So even though you wouldn't get a discharge in a new Chapter 13 case, you still would be able to stop the foreclosure. And this is something even bankruptcy attorneys don't get always right. You still can file a Chapter 13 to stop a foreclosure, to stop a repossession, to stop a garnishment, to stop creditors to call you. Even though you might not get a discharge, you still can file a Chapter 13. And if you have questions about it, give us a call here in St. Louis, St. Charles, in Missouri. Our number is 636-916-5400 and our consultation is free. Thanks.